Hello everyone, today we will show you how to do the BMS communication with SAKO E-SUN 6.2 with BMS, with inverters or with batteries. Okay, the first step, communication cable. Now in SAKO E-SUN battery, we have two communication cable. One with the red sticker like this. For E-SUN series, we don't use this. We should use another standard cable like this one. Yeah. Okay, please. To RS485, and you need to select the address 1. Okay, and make the setting from the inverters. First, go to item 17. Okay, select LIB. Okay, and then go to next step. Go to item 38 and select the protocol SK. 你可以把它走一圈。好，起来。Yeah, SK here means SAKO. This is setting on inverter. And then make the setting from the SAKO E-SUN battery. Yeah, this is 100%. And here you go to the pack sheet. Enter, select RS485 and select SAKO. Done. Then after successfully, we will check here. We check the screen. We can find SOC. Continue. Okay, once we can check SOC and the battery capacity, that means the communication successfully. Okay.